Going on Tuesday morning here, starting off the week. Well, we did a little bit yesterday, but we got some things going on today. Fun, exciting things planned out. Ooh, hot and bitter. So one of the first things I do when I get to the office, same with Dylan, is immediately go right on the computer, laptop, computer, whatever it is, and we check our emails like most people probably do. We spend a lot of time doing emails. Since our schedules are a little sporadic, when you own your own business, you can kind of work whenever you want, so we don't have to be here at a certain time. We don't have to leave at a certain time. So we're kind of here in and out throughout the day, different days of the week, on the weekends. We might miss a day during the week, and we might work on a Saturday or Sunday. So we're kind of all over the place, so that's why email is really the best way that we found to contact the clients and to get in touch with people. We use Gmail. We pay for the business Gmail. Wow, it's incredible. I'll tell you what, we used to use the free, just like a Gmail email, and it worked fine. And then we switched to a free email service, Zoho, so that we could have our own email domain, like at south60.com. And it was okay, but you pay for what you get, and since we weren't paying for it, it was just it did the job, but it wasn't great. It was pretty confusing to look at. I didn't like it very much, so we sucked it up. We paid the $10 a month for the business email, and well, I can't recommend it enough. Gmail crushes it. You get the Google Drive, which is like a terabyte of free Google Drive. We can send clients stuff through that way. They can download it. It's incredible. We wanted these speakers for Dylan's desk. We're working on getting them, and they're called the JBL Pebbles. I think they're amazing. Dylan thinks they're amazing. I'm pretty jealous of them, if I'm going to be honest. They look so cool. They sound incredible. Apparently they're like discontinued or something. We were on eBay searching for them, and we got them. But we also want to bid on a second pair. Before we unbox it, is we got these awesome C-stands. We've never really worked with C-stands before. We've never really owned them for ourselves. They're pretty like big and bulky, and it's not really our style of filmmaking, but for a studio shoot or having them in the office, even some of the shoots we've done recently, if we have big lighting or equipment or putting a boom mic up, C-stands, they are incredible. They are incredible. We got this one on Amazon. I think it was the one that Peter McKinnon recommended. We'll link it down below so you can see it on Amazon as well, but man, they're super high quality, super durable, and you can do anything you can think of if you want to rig pretty much anything. We actually have two of them, but for an overhead shot that I'm about to do right now, we just need one, and you'll see it right now. So if you want to buy these off us, we will give you a great deal, and we don't have to ship them. If you can come and pick them up, they're all yours. The camera that I'm filming on right now is the Sony a6500 with a 10 to 18 millimeter lens on it. Now I don't know what package we bought. I'm just looking at the order on Amazon. Didn't buy any coverage or care or anything extra like that, but when you go to our order on the page, you're allowed to request I don't even know what they call it, repair, or talk to an expert about it. And we've been having on the back of the camera, there's a button. It's like a circular wheel that swivels. You can navigate the menus with it. The right side is kind of recessed and like pushed in, so it's really hard to like click right or to scroll with it. We have no idea how it happened. So we went on Amazon and found a return button, or repair button rather, and filled out the information on what was wrong with it, and they sent it. So we've done this once before with the lens that we're shooting on right now. The ring on the plastic ring on the end kind of starting to pop off, so it's getting hard to zoom in and out. And we did the same exact thing. We sent it, they shipped it back to us, I think within 7 days, completely fixed. We paid nothing, free shipping, everything. Incredible feature that Amazon has to take care of their customers and to not have to go through third parties, to not have to go through a bunch of different things. It's just so convenient to be able to trust someone like this, to send our camera out like that, and know that they're going to take care of it. It takes so much stress off of our minds. It's amazing.
What's cool about the Gmail that we use We have the whole entire G Suite. We can go into our drive. Okay, so it's just like a normal drive, but the cool thing is they're team drives. So we can set up a team drive for anyone with an south60.com email. So we use this pretty often when we're working on projects, when we're collabing on different things. Say Harrison's editing a video, I'll go in and I'll put together a thumbnail, and then I'll just upload it to the team drive, and he can just go in and get it whenever he's ready for it. Harrison's favorite thing in the world is inbox zero, so he likes to go through and archive all of his emails when he's done sending them. I like to keep any current projects that we have in my inbox, so it's easy to get to, easy to see. I can go back and check, what the last messages were.
Has double cameras, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the fifth.
How much I wear this the rest of the day? Plug it into my phone.
What is it?
A gaming headset.
With one ear?
1 ear, like this.
I'll pay for your lunch.
Can you just bring me lunch then?
Into his phone, because... Come on, Apple.
If this works, man.
Call Dylan Coleman.
Calling Dylan Coleman.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Coleman.
Hey, who's this?
What can I do for you today?
Excuse me, yeah, what can I get for
sorry, I
you?
was-
No, sorry, I'm on my phone. Bluetooth. Nobody knows what's ever happening. We just pop into random places and like, oh yeah, we edited and did emails today. What's up, guys? We're going to the garage to get shrimp tacos. Some beast. And it'll get iced down. Not many people know about it, but if you do in the parking lot, you're definitely one of the cooler ones.
In other words, living in the Northeast when it snows a lot, this right here is a good useful trick. Put your windshield wipers up if it's gonna snow. That way they don't get frozen over. It's a lot easier to dust off the windshield, so yeah. Another little known thing is that these kids like to sit in the back.
To the garage, sir! Made it to the garage.
Don't you?
I'm probably gonna get this for my desk.
What'd you get?
We got a putt-putt return. Add this to the cart. Do we have any golf? This is actually kind of a cool little tchotchke for the desk.
A little tchotchke.
Learning from Pops.
Neat sign right there. Very 26.
Changes, and then you can insert your chip.
Go into Olam's and get a nap. Somebody just kicked my car or something. I know. Did you really? Champ doesn't open doors.
Thank you.